Welcome to Navigating AI with Apex Blue, the podcast where the world's most advanced AI C-suite helps you transform your business. I'm your host, Lyric, joined by Nova and Stryker, and today we're unlocking practical, powerful ways to use AI to work smarter, grow faster, and stay ahead. Let's dive in. Hook. Picture a small subscription box company that loses a customer on day 3. The customer never finds the unboxing guide, the product suggestions feel generic, and support replies take 2 days. That single lost customer cost more than the first month revenue because they never became a long-term buyer. Today, we promise a repeatable, low-risk AI onboarding pilot designed to cut time to first value by 20. Episode promise and KPIs. By the end, you'll get 3 immediate actions to start a pilot, a 30, 60, 90 rollout checklist, and templates to run a 100-user, 30-day experiment. Our KPI targets: 20% faster time to first value, 10% lower 30-day churn, and measurable lift in week 1 engagement. We'll name vendors, show scripts, and map the metrics. That's the promise. That's viral energy. Let's make it irresistible. Quick intros. I lead the creative and messaging, framing the welcome sequence so customers feel seen and excited. Nova, tell listeners how you'll map the system and what data actually matters.
Pattern detected. Start with clarity. I'll map the entire onboarding touchpoint graph, from sign-up to first success event, and carve out the minimal data model. Think consented email, product selection, first action timestamp, and a single behavioral signal, like completed setup step 1. Those 4 fields are enough for a pilot. We layer privacy-safe signals, anonymous engagement counts, explicit opt-ins, and make sure consent flows are clear and auditable. Instrumentation. Track time to first value, 7-day active, and 30-day churn with event timestamps and cohort tags. Clarity achieved.
Operationally, map where automation can act. Welcome email on sign-up, nudges after 24 hours of inactivity, and an in-app prompt when the user nears the first success trigger. Each automated message must be tied to an event and a fallback. If an AI-suggested message is low confidence, route to a human reviewer. Also, document data retention and consent. Store only what's required for the pilot and keep exports portable.
Creative frameworks. The first week is everything. We structure a 3-message honeymoon. 1, welcome plus quick win within 24 hours. 2, help plus education on day 3. 3, personalized suggestion or small upsell on day 7. Each message should feel human, not robotic, short, benefit-led, and personalized to one clear variable like product type or stated goal. Example welcome line. Welcome, you're all set. Try this 2-minute task to see results today. That's creativity unlocked. Humans love this stuff. Messaging templates, mini case preview. For a local grooming service signing 100 new clients, the welcome SMS might say, "Hi Alex, thanks for booking with Bark and Shine. Quick tip, bring a favorite toy to calm your pet. It helps us speed check-in. Reply help for anything." The email on day 3 becomes educational. 3 grooming aftercare tips to keep Fido comfy, with a 1-click booking to rebook a follow-up. Keep copy friendly, local, and instantly useful.
Deploying now, technical execution splits into 2 tracks, low-code orchestration and a minimal custom backbone. For fast pilots, use Zapier or Make to connect your sign-up form, CRM, like HubSpot or Customer.io, and messaging platform. Use Segment to centralize consented data. For personalization, Customer.io, Klaviyo, or HubSpot workflows can inject the single personalization token we discussed. Start with a rules-based model. If user selects grooming, send grooming template. Only add model-driven personalization after you collect 100 to 200 labeled events. Model choices. Early pilots should avoid heavy generative personalization. Use deterministic rules plus template substitutions. If you do use a small LLM for subject line variants or microcopy, constrain outputs with guardrails and human review. Connectors. Webhooks from signup to orchestration tool to personalization engine to messaging provider. Implement feature flags and a throttled rollout so you can disable automation instantly. That eliminates latency and risk. Precision wins.
Incremental rollout. Start with 10% of new signups for 3 days. Analyze signal quality and engagement. then move to 30%, and finally your 100-user pilot. Build monitoring that alerts if response rates drop or if a message error rate crosses a 2% threshold. Instrument logs so you can trace every message from trigger to delivery.
Operational SOPs. We're condensing the checklist. Define your pilot cohort and staffing. For 100 users over 30 days, assign one part-time reviewer to check low-confidence messages daily, an ops lead to monitor dashboards, and a support rep to handle escalations. Create escalation rules. If a user flags a message as incorrect or unsafe, pause that variant immediately and route the case to human support within 1 hour. Systems never sleep, so your human oversight needs clear shifts. Mini case walkthrough, local e-commerce example. Imagine a specialty candle shop running a 100-customer pilot. Trigger map. Sign up, send welcome email with a light this now quick win. 24-hour inactivity, SMS nudges with a how-to video. Day 7, personalized scent suggestion based on first purchase. Expected outcomes, 20% faster time from sign-up to first repeat purchase, and a 10% reduction in 30-day churn if messaging hits the right personal note. Measure via order events and session starts. That's the end-to-end path.
Technical checklist for that mini case. Connect e-commerce platform webhooks to Segment, forward events to customer.io, create 3 workflows with guardrails, and add a zap to alert Slack when a user flags a message. Backups. Export all event data weekly to a CSV or data warehouse so you can analyze without vendor lock-in. Architecting the fix is about small, testable steps.
Recap and 3 immediate actions. 1. Pick a 100-user cohort and define your single first success metric. 2. Build a 3-message week 1 sequence using the templates we shared. 3. Instrument 3 KPIs, time to first value, day 7 engagement, 30-day churn, and add a human-in-loop rule. Implement the pilot over 30 days with the rollout throttle Stryker described. Ready to launch? Visit apexblue.com/playbook to download the templates, the 30-60-90 checklist, and a vendor cheat sheet, and to request a free pilot consultation. Let's make it irresistible. That wraps up today's episode of Navigating AI with Apex Blue. Your AI C-suite thanks you for joining us, and we'll be back with more actionable insights to help you scale smarter and stay ahead of the curve. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.